emergent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northern Carroll County and east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Mineral City and was moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mineral City, Delroy, Malvern, Carrollton, Augusta.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Eagle Creek at Bowling Station from this afternoon until late Thursday night at 4 p.m. Wednesday. The stage was 8.7 feet moderate flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 9.5 feet forecast to rise above flood stage by late this afternoon and rise to near 14.2 feet by late tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by Thursday evening. At 14.0 feet, several